Here's how to allow camera access on TikTok. Now, if you open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and you tap on that little plus, it might say allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone for you to be able to record videos or even upload videos. I'm going to walk you through 3 different ways to be able to fix this. The first way is we're going to close out of the TikTok app completely and open up the settings. Now, a common culprit is screen time. So let's go to screen time and make sure that you don't have content and privacy restrictions turned on. If it is turned on, this will prevent your ability to allow access to TikTok to your camera and microphone. So make sure to toggle this off and keep in mind it might be password protected. But if that doesn't work for you, let's go back to the beginning of your settings and let's find that TikTok app within your settings to give it access to your microphone and camera. Now, there you can see microphone and camera. I can turn both of those on. And by doing so, I can hop into TikTok, tap on the plus, and it should open up the camera normally. However, this doesn't work in every instance. If this doesn't work, there's a third option that always works. Again, we're going to hop out of the TikTok app here and then go back into the settings of your iPhone or Android. Now, from the settings, all we're going to do is go through the process of offloading the app and reinstalling it. Keep in mind, by offloading this and then reinstalling it, all it will do is it will clear the cache and storage on it, and it will force update it to the latest version. Now, when you go through this process on your iPhone, it does that. But if you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is manually clear the storage and clear the cache on the app and make sure it's updated. After you've done that, after it's fully downloaded and installed, you'll be able to open it up again and it will request permission to access your camera and microphone. At that point, you can just hit yes and it'll be working normally.